Are you preparing to sell your home and envisioning a smooth and profitable process? It's an exciting prospect, isn't it? But before you jump in, let's explore 5 common mistakes that many people unknowingly make when selling their home. By the end of this video, you'll know how to steer clear of these pitfalls and make your selling journey more successful. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's get started. The first mistake we often see is overvaluing your home. It's understandable to place high value on a home filled with personal memories and hard work. However, potential buyers view it as a financial investment. Pricing your home too high can drive them away quickly. So how do you find the right price point? It involves a detailed analysis of market conditions, understanding local real estate trends, and sometimes even skilled negotiation. This is more than just comparing with similar homes. It's about grasping the intricacies of the market. It sounds daunting, doesn't it? But don't worry, we'll discuss how you can manage this soon. Next is mistake number 2, poor staging. You might think your home is perfect as it stands, but buyers need to imagine themselves living there. Have you ever noticed how some homes sell almost instantly? It's often due to expert staging. This means carefully arranging furniture, choosing colors that appeal to a wide audience, adjusting lighting, and even creating a welcoming scent. It's about showcasing your home's potential, not just its current state. Imagine entering a home that feels like it could be yours. It's a compelling experience. However, executing this requires a trained eye and considerable effort. Moving on to mistake number 3, neglecting repairs. Those tiny issues, like a dripping tap or squeaky floors, are noticed by buyers too. While they may seem insignificant, they can imply neglect and future expenses. Addressing these repairs involves more than fixing what's broken. It enhances your home's overall appeal. Coordinating various repairs can be a logistical nightmare, demanding time, precision, and plenty of patience. Mistake number 4 is ineffective marketing. Simply listing your home online doesn't guarantee interest. In a crowded market, how do you make your property stand out? This requires a strategic marketing plan, professional-grade photos, and engaging descriptions that highlight your home's best features. It's about creating a narrative that captivates potential buyers. Crafting such a narrative isn't straightforward. It requires creativity and an understanding of buyer psychology. It's not just about posting a listing, it's about telling a story that resonates. Finally, mistake number 5, going it alone. Selling a home isn't just a financial transaction, it's an emotional journey. You're not just selling a piece of property, but a piece of your life. Managing everything from pricing to negotiations and paperwork on your own can be overwhelming. It's a complex process, with each part requiring dedicated attention and expertise. When you're emotionally involved, it becomes even harder to navigate these waters objectively. This is where real estate agencies come in. They handle these daunting challenges for you, using their expertise to make the process seamless. Whether it's setting the right price, staging your home, managing repairs, or crafting a compelling marketing strategy, their experience can transform a stressful process into a smooth one. If you're planning to sell your house in Frankfurt, consider Zucker Immobilien. With over 10 years of experience and a vast network, we ensure your home is sold efficiently and off-market, maximizing your profit with minimal stress. To recap, avoid overvaluing, stage your home effectively, address those minor repairs, market strategically, and don't try to do it all alone. With the right help, selling your home can be a rewarding experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable tips. See you next time.